Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python series. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can read and write a file in Python. So here's a simple program. So first of all, we need to create a file. Okay, we need to create a file that we can read, right? So here I'm going to just create one file. Okay, and that file name is new file.txt. Okay, this is the txt file, and I'm going to write here something dummy data. This is the dummy content, like this. So this is my content, okay, in my new file.txt. Now I need to read that file from my Python program. So okay, so we can do this. So here's my console here. So it's very simple. I'm gonna just create a variable like file, okay, equal open and just bracket. And here we need to pass the file name and the text mode of that file. Like if you want to read it, then you need to use the R. If you want to write it, then you need to use the W. So I'm going to just here the file name is, you just created the new file.txt. So the new file.txt. Okay, this is our file. Now we need to read it, right? So I'm going to use here the R. Simply just save it. Now we need to display that content, okay, in my console. So how we can do this? So I'm going to just use here content and file.read, and now print the content, like print content, like this, right? Just save it and let's run this program. You can see this is my dummy content, like this, right? I'm gonna just change something in my file. Okay, so open the new file.txt and just put some content here. So new content something, save this file and run this program here again, and let's see new content. So you are reading the file. Make sure after reading the file, you need to close this file also. So file dot close. Just simply, that's it. Okay, run it. The content is here and file is also closed. Now, how we can write a content using the Python program? So this is our file. Okay, now we need to write a content on that. So we need to use here the W instead of R. Okay, so just use the W like this. And what content I need to write? Okay, so how we can do this? So let me just remove that code and just use here file dot write method and just put the something TCB is the best, like this, and just save it. Okay, and let's run it. That's it. Now I need to see my file. You can see new file. You can see that TCB is the best. So that content is updated. But what about the old content? So for that, what I need to do is here. So let's just put file open, and you can see, you will see the methods. Okay, modes are, okay, for open the text mode, right? And here you will see the lot of other methods also. You can see here's the one A. Okay, the A for open for writing appending to the end of the file if it's exist. Okay, it means if I will use here the A like this, okay, then whenever I write anything, this is the best something, or if I'll just say here new content. Okay, now let me just check the new file content. This is the extra content. Okay, now right now I have file. Now that will that content will append on that content. Okay, so let's just run it. You can see this is the extra content and new content something. Like, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.